Bago ka pa rin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Wear in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Wear in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, meron akong katanungan sa lahat ng mga kalalakihan diyan. Guys, namumroblema ba kayo kung ano yung ireregalo sa girlfriend, sa asawa, o sa nanay, o sa auntie ninyo? Well, worry no more dahil ang business na ipopromote natin for today, solve that problem. So this is K-Top Brands PH. So, it all started way back July 2020 by this couple sa Mabalacat, Pampanga. So, at that time, sobrang hype na hype ng K-pop culture dito po sa Pampanga. And yung mga Korean fans still has problems where to get these Korean cosmetics and beauty products. The K-Top Brands po is a local importer of these Korean cosmetics and beauty products. Ayan po. As of now, they have 7 well-known Korean brands that are included sa kanilang mga products. These are Etude House, Innisfree, Moly, Nature Republic, MISSHA, The Ordinary, and Laneige. If you notice, meron tayong 4 boxes dito sa table natin. So these are different types of boxes na available po as package, as a gift. So kagandahan sa business nila, kapag magre-regalo tayo para sa ating asawa, girlfriend, or auntie and mommy, just give them your budget and then i-explain natin sa kanila kung ano yung kinahihiligan nila sa mga cosmetic and they're gonna customize yung box po ninyo. Now, if you want the existing packages, let me introduce them to you one by one. So this is called the Beauty Starter Kit, also known as the Budget Box. So ito yung perfect para sa mga teenagers or yung mga beauty starter pack with the basic self-care and makeup. Yung mga boxes po natin starts as low as 1,500 only. Again, you can customize it hanggang sa magkano po yung budget niyo. So ito naman yung second box natin. This is the self-care enthusiast. This is really perfect for those ladies or women na who has really time for themselves. Yan. So you have a lot of time to pamper yourself. Yan. So meron tayong water sleeping mask. This is pore clay mask. So for each box, iba-iba po yung possible brands na nandito. Like for example, this is Innisfree. Now for the third box naman, this is called the Makeup Enthusiast. If you notice guys, ayan, meron tayong mga makeup beauty products. At the same time, sabi ko nga sa inyo, you can customize your box depende sa pagbibigyan ninyo. So you can also request for some chocolates. Ayan. And meron din tayo ditong mga dedications like this one. Ayan, no? So you can also have customized mga pictures as well as mga vouchers. And then last box, this is called the anti-aging box or the anti-aging kit. So this is perfect for the latter age women who, you know, still want to retain yung kanilang beauty, yung young age skin. So this is the box for you. Ayan. Nature Republic. This is Moly. So another good news from K-Top Brands, you can also check out their Shopee. Actually, available din po sila sa Shopee. Now, if you use the voucher code KTOP 1 year, you're gonna have 10% off sa mga products na bibilhin mo sa Shopee. That is exclusive for mga Wear in Pampanga community viewers natin. Now, if you order naman mga custom box from their Facebook fan page, you'll automatically get a 10% off sa inyong order. What a great news from K-Top Brands. And again, thank you so much K-Top Brands for partnering with us. For sure, mag-enjoy ang mga viewers natin sa Wear in Pampanga because they're gonna have a great discount at a great value sa kanilang bibilhin. Now, if you wanna avail those discounts, use these QR codes right here. Alright, so there you have it guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. If this is helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Make sure to tag your BFF, either your husband, kung gusto mong pa-order sa kanya ng ganito, go ahead and do that. And for the rest of the day, I hope you guys are safe and I hope to see you in the next video. Peace out guys. Bye!